Hello everyone, this is a video that shows how we can use Piazza for the mentorship program that CTP has organized. So when you go into your mailbox, you will find an email from the Piazza team that says activate your Piazza account for your enrollment in CTP. You'll click on it and you'll read an email that gives you a link to the Piazza website. And then you'll find also an activation code. Copy that and go to that link. So now when you go to that link, you will see the following page. It'll ask you to fill in your first name. So let me just write Ababa, and then you will choose your password. And then here it says academic information. What degree are you currently pursuing? Since you are all high school students, you should just say that you are undergraduate and just type in CTP student. And then your anticipation completion year, you can just type in May of 2016 or whatever year you're graduating. Or you could just say, I'm not pursuing a degree, and you'll be fine. Now continue to Piazza. You have read and signed the terms of service. Now Piazza will load. So what is Piazza? Piazza is a website that a lot of colleges use, a lot of college professors use in order to allow students to ask questions or to post anything that they don't understand from the course material online. So it's kind of like an online database. It's actually one of the easiest things to use, and it's one of the most effective ways for us mentors abroad to interact with you guys. So when you go to this page, what you see is here it says CTP, and this is the name of the class, and then you'll have Q&A. This is such an important but also such an easy forum to use. So you can see here, this is where you go and post a question that you have. New post. So say for example, I wanted to ask a question about financial aid. Okay, and then I type in my question here. For example, what is FAFSA? Okay. And then you go here, you can actually post pictures, highlight it, change the highlighting, whatever you want. Now, you just need to post it. Before you post though, it says here, please select at least one folder for your post. So in order to organize Piazza, what we're doing is before you post any question, you should select the folder that you want this question to be in. So for example, this question, the two folders that we have are questions about college application, and the second one is questions on the SAT exam. So this question specifically, since it's about FAFSA, is about the college application. You choose that, you go here, and then you say post my comment. Now, the beauty of this website is that you can so any mentor, any CTP mentor can go online and see the question, and then we'll type in an answer for you. Okay, so you might get the answer in 2 hours, in an hour, in a day, but the mentors will always be online and will answer any and all questions that you have about the application process or anything like that if you post it. So for example, if once this question has been answered, you see here it's highlighted in red. It means that it means that this question has not been answered. So this cues any mentor from all around the US to go in and to answer it. So what we want to do essentially is that you will have access to this database, and mentors from Boston, New York, and all over the US will also have access to this database. So when you from Addis Ababa post questions, they will just go in and answer your questions immediately. So we'll have a lot of mentors signed up for this database. So please use it wisely. And if you have any questions whatsoever, just know that you can use it. And also, say for example, you're studying for the SAT, yeah? And if you don't understand something, then you can just, again, go here, go to new post, and then type in your question. It's, say for example, it's an SAT maths question. Then literally what you can do is you can take a picture of that question, or you can just type out the question right here, and then ask specifically what you want to ask about the SAT exam. And then you can go here and say, post my question. And someone out there will answer your question for you. So please just know that it's so easy to use, and you can use it anytime to interact with your mentors, with the mentors abroad. And some other thing, this is the Q&A section. And this here, let me just delete this since. Now, the other tab is called resources. So when you go here, you'll find a description of the course of CTP. And then we will also be posting the course syllabus here. So if you have homeworks or say lecture notes or any other thing that your instructor wants you to see, you will see it here. And finally, before I finish this video, I'd also like to say this. One of the most important and useful things about using the Piazza database is that once you're done with the CTP course, after 2 months, you will still have access to Piazza. So when you're studying for the SAT, or when you're actually going through the college application process, if you have any questions, you still have access to Piazza to post any question that you have. So just remember that. And that's it for today. And when we have new features that we'd like to tell you about, we'll show you, we'll record another video. Okay. Hope you have a great day. We'll send you an email as soon as possible to have you enrolled.